Hello, and I hope you're doing well. On this video we're going to take a look at this toner, and I'll put a link on the comments on where you can find this. This is for the Brother printer that I have, and I'll also put a link on the Brother printer in the comments. We're going to look at the toner, compare it to the original, replace it, use it, and print something out so you can see if it works or how it works. So let's first unbox it. Here is a toner, and this is a pack of 2. So here is 1, here is 2, and just to let you know, it does come with a chip, and you have N1 and N2. Let's take it out of this bag. Here, this is what it looks like. And make sure that when you take this off, you don't touch anything here. You don't want your grease from your fingers to be under here. So let's take a look at this one compared to the original, which is right here. It looks almost the same, so it is compatible. Make sure that you read this. It does give you information in case the printer doesn't detect the toner. Turn off the printer, turn it back on. So let's see how it works. Here is the model of this Brother printer. And let's open this. And I already took the toner from here, but just so you know, you could just slide this out. To take the old toner here off, just push this and slide the toner out. To put the new toner in there, take this off, slide this in here, and it clicks right here. To take it off, push it down and it'll come right off. So push it down. You want to clear this by sliding this back and forth, and then go ahead and slide this in there. And now let's take a look at the screen, and it's gonna give you this prompt. It's not the original toner, so all you have to say is yes, acknowledge, and now you can see the life of the toner right here, and it's at 100%. If you want to print something, here is the test page, and it looks fine. So I like that the Brother printer didn't give me a hard time. It works fine with this toner, and I'll put a link on the comments so you know where to get it from. And just to let you know, this toner will fit different Brother printers, and it has a yield up to 3,000 pages. Now, it doesn't give you 3,000 pages. I know that because even the original toner does not give me 3,000 pages. Also, it depends on how much toner you use on each page. If each page has a lot of toner being used, then perhaps you won't get close to 3,000. And if there's very little, then perhaps you get closer to that. Keep that in mind, because even the original TN830XL by Brother, it won't give you the 3,000 pages yield. So I hope this video helps you in any way. Thank you for watching, and enjoy.